Hi guys, Jason here with Canyon Adventure Vans. I'm going to show you a quick little video on how to install the upper cabinet on the passenger side. The easiest thing you'll do if you already have, number one is if you already have the passenger side set up, I want you to undo the bungee cords and slide it out towards the center of your van to give you some space to work on the other side. If not, then obviously you're getting them together. Then you can set it up like this and then slide it into its place, do your bungee cords like on the video, and you'll be good to go. But so first thing you do is you would get your base, get that inside the van, and then if you look on top of the base, it's going to come pre-done with those screws right here and right here, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the upper cabinet, we're going to slide that right on top, and we're going to line it up. And I want it flush in front here. I want to be able to run my hand up and down. Same thing here, and same thing here. So just nice and clean, so it looks like it's a continued stud on there. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take these out, the screws that come in there, okay? You have two of them. So we'll take those off, double check, make sure it's flush in the front. Come over here, make sure it's flush up front. Okay, right here. Okay. How we look. Bring it over here. Okay. So now you have your drop-in T-nut that we already pre-installed. All you're going to do is slide that in, and we're going to give you one of these hex wrenches as well. So you're going to slide that in until the holes align. And if you look in there like so, the holes align, okay? So once you do that, then you're going to take your button head screw and you're going to screw that right into place. Just like so. Don't tighten it all the way yet. Let's go over on this side. Same thing. We're going to take this drop-in T-nut and we're just going to slide that until these holes align. Boom. Good to go. I'll take the button head screw, get that going. Okay, and before I tighten it all the way, I'm going to double check one more time, make sure I'm flush on the end. See, right here, that's not good. Let's bring it over a little more. Flush here, flush here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten this side, snug it down. Nice tight so it won't vibrate loose. Come over here, make sure this one fills flush in front. It does. Go ahead and tighten this and get that really tight. So that's it, done. Now what we're going to do is now we can take this unit, slide it into where it goes in the back in the garage area, and then at that point you can get your bungee cords, hook it to the floor on the O-ring, hook it to the bracket in here, and same thing over here. You're going to hook it to here, and then that way it's all nice in place and you're done.